Thank you for tuning into Billionaires Club 101. Today I want to offer you a way to get up to 20% off of your EpiPen if you're looking to get an EpiPen, but also get up to 85% off of your prescription medication by getting the discount prescription card with InCareRx. What I want you to do is visit my website in the link below, and you'll be able to get this discount card. And this is what it looks like. If you don't have a printer or anything like that, you can actually write down this information right here on a piece of paper. Okay, just these one, two, three, four. So the bin number you're going to write, bin number 610602. The PCN number is HDX. The group number is NCR4526. And then your member ID would be your phone number. Now remember, card is not insurance. So this is a discount prescription card. It's going to help you save up to 90% off of your prescription medication. Today's topic is in regards of getting an EpiPen for up to 20% off. And I want to show you the example of getting your EpiPen for 20% off. Okay, so remember, CVS, Walgreens, and Krogers are generally less than depicted here. We are updating this pricing tool. So this is a pricing tool that you can see what is your savings using the prescription discount card with InCareRx. Remember, go to the homepage, get that information so you can have a card handy. So I'm going to write in here. So RX is the medication name. So it's going to be EpiPen, right? So there's a 2-pack injections for 3 milligrams. So that's the one we want to take a look at. And quantity, we just want to know how much is one quantity of a 2-pack. All right, they come in a 2-pack, right? And then we're going to get the price. And then our pricing tool is going to show you where you're going to get the best. So this is geo proximity to wherever you're located. So it's going to find out where you are using your IP address in your computer. It's going to show you exactly where you can get the discounted price on the EpiPen. So remember, here are the pharmacies that are available for the EpiPen. So you have CVS Pharmacy. Everyone knows about CVS, Walmart Pharmacy, Walgreens, other network pharmacies, and mail order pharmacies. If you're doing a mail order pharmacy, you get an EpiPen. You can actually get 3 each of these packs for 20% off, right? But the one we're looking at are the EpiPen, and we want to just do quantity of 1 pack, which 2 comes in 1 pack. So for retail, it comes in at $367 at CVS. Your cost using the InCareRx discount prescription card, your cost is $331.25. That's a total savings of 10%. And then at Walmart, using the InCareRx discount prescription card, you're going to save 12% if you look at the retail versus your costs. All right. And then Walgreens, and then remember, mail order pharmacy is going to be a little bit less. I want to also show you that some other pricing strategies that we can show you. There's one of the popular pain medications, Vicodin. A lot of people use that when they are prescribed some pain medication. So let's go with Vicodin, and then let's see. So let's go back, click on that. So we're going to do a Vicodin tabs, 5 through 300 milligrams with 15. And there's the price. Going to do a geo search of the price of Vicodin, all right? And you'll see where your savings are using the InCareRx discount prescription card. So if you look at the popular pharmacy, which is your CVS, your Walmart, Walgreens, other network pharmacies, there are a lot of other pharmacies which is in the other network pharmacies. And we're doing Vicodin tabs, 5 to 300 milligrams, brand name. So we're just doing 15 each for an example. Your retail price at CVS is $31.90, and then your cost is $27.01 with total savings of 15%. If you look at Walmart, if you're using the InCareRx discount prescription card, the retail price is $29.65, but your cost, look at that, $0. So you have a 100% savings for Vicodin at your Walmart using the InCare RX. And then you'll look at this table here. Whatever medication you're using, that's a prescription medication, you can compare with the calculator or the tool to find out where and how much of the savings you are. Another one I'm familiar with is called Percocet. It's not that I take it, it's just something I've heard about Percocet, right? So I just want to show you the pricing on certain medications that I know where our prescription people are using for prescriptions. And then you'll go ahead and press price calculator. See that's right here. This is searching the network of using the NCRX discount prescription cards and what your savings is going to be using the certain types of medications. Okay, so CVS 15 Percocet was going to cost you around $423.82. Your cost is $381 with total savings 10%. If you're using a Walmart pharmacy using the NCareRx discount prescription card for Percocet, the retail price is $421.57. Your cost is $0. You get 100% savings on that card using that card. Sometimes the pharmacy may have their own cards, but don't use their cards. Use our cards. It's going to save you a lot of money. And then also, if you know somebody who is looking to take or need prescription medications, go ahead and give them that same information. They don't have to take the card in. They can just write it down, or you can make a photocopy of that card and hand it to them. Another one I'm familiar with is called Ambien, which is like a sleep medication for a person who has insomnia. Let's just do a 5 milligram. I'm not sure what people are taking. Let's just do 15 just for example's sake. And then this is Ambien tabs, 5 milligrams. The quantity is 15. Ambien is a medication that helps people with sleeping. If you look at the CVS, Walmart, and then Walgreens, other network pharmacies, Ambien is one of those medications that it has some expense there. So the retail price is $319. Your cost $288. There's 10% savings. So these are the things that can help you do certain things. But remember, our topic was actually EpiPens. There's a very big savings in EpiPens. Then we'll just go back and get one quantity, and there's a price. I want to thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Or if you're looking to get a discount on your prescription medications, I would prefer you to go down in the description box below. Remember, here are the discounts of EpiPen. You're going to get in between 9% to 20% off, okay, of your EpiPen, depending on where you go. Use the discount prescription card by NCareRx. I want to take you to exactly how you can get your discount prescription card. So you're going to go to Home, and then you're going to go to where it says Download a Savings Card. So you're going to go to press the download button, and then you can just print that out. So once you print that out, you can definitely save a lot of money. If you would like to be in the business of earning some additional income, you can click on Become an Agent. There's no education required for you to become an associate with the discount prescription card. It is free to join. You'll get a website like you're seeing right now. It says interested in becoming an agent, no sign-up fees, great rewards. Every time someone uses your prescription discount card, you will earn some money, all right? And then if you're just looking to get a discount prescription card, or if you're joining the business, it says who referred you. You're gonna put here, you're gonna write in NCR 4526. And that's who referred you, and then put in your correct information there and press submit. You're going to get a welcome email welcoming you into the business, and then follow the instructions in your email. It's going to get you started earning some money right away. Thanks for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Have a great day. Thank you.